In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add VWAP Thinkorswim. We'll walk through it together so you can get the volume-weighted average price on your chart quickly and confidently. VWAP is a popular intraday reference line that blends price with volume, helping you see where the average traded price sits throughout the session. It's often used to gauge fair value, potential support and resistance, and overall trend strength. First, open Thinkorswim and make sure you're on the Charts tab. This is where you'll view and manage all of your study overlays. If your platform just launched, give it a second to finish loading market data and your watch lists so everything responds smoothly. Next, look toward the upper area of the chart for the Studies button. On many layouts, it looks like a small laboratory beaker. Click that button, then choose Edit Studies. This opens the main edit panel where you can add, remove, or organize your indicators. In the edit window, find the search box at the top. Click inside it and type VWAP. You can use uppercase or lowercase. The search will recognize it either way. In the results list below, you'll see the VWAP study appear. When it does, add it to your chart by double-clicking the study name, or by selecting it once and clicking Add Selected. You should see VWAP move into your Added Studies area on the right side of the panel, confirming it's queued to appear on your chart. To make the change live, click Apply so you can preview it without closing the window. Then click OK to save and return to the chart. You'll now see the VWAP line plotted across your candles. Depending on your default settings, you may also notice upper and lower bands that show standard deviations around the VWAP. These can help you visualize potential overbought or oversold stretches relative to the day's average price. A few helpful notes as you start using it. VWAP is typically calculated from the start of the trading session and updates in real time, so it's especially useful on intraday timeframes. If you have extended hours turned on, that can influence where the line begins and how it develops, because pre-market and aftermarket volume may be included. Also, if your chart is zoomed far out, the line can look compressed. Zoom in a bit to see it more clearly. That's it. You've successfully added VWAP in Thinkorswim. Apply and OK, and you're ready to analyze price action against the session's volume-weighted average.